Hello everyone, so how to make Amazon the default search engine on Chrome browser from Google. So here I am in Chrome browser on desktop on a Mac laptop. So what you need to do, so first of all you just need to go to amazon.com for a specific account. So you're using Chrome and you have signed in with it, and then just create an account and try to search something. So then when you did that, your Amazon.com will be saved to like Chrome settings. So that's what I at least think how it happened. So just go to settings here and then search engine on the left. And then here you can click manage search engines. And from here, when I did that for Amazon, you will see other search engines and you will see Amazon.com here. So there you have it. So by default I see that Google is now default, but I just click for Amazon and click my default. So then I will see the default search engines and Amazon. Then don't need to do anything, just open new tab and already you can see the Amazon icon here. So then when I just type in this browser, I will see that it redirects me to amazon.com and basically I can search everything from Amazon. So there you have it. If you don't have this like Amazon appearing here, yeah, you can maybe just copy this. I don't know how to. Amazon.com for search engine, Amazon.com for keyword, and URL with this stuff in place of a query. So there you have it, guys. Hope it was helpful.